We all know that comfort food isn't always light on calories and fat, but I've got a variation on meatloaf that cuts the fat and calories in about half. So preheat your oven to 375, and then in a fairly large bowl, I'll add some store-bought barbecue sauce that's actually low calorie, and I'll dilute it with a little bit of water. Add in some egg whites, just 2 egg whites, 3/4 cup of quick cooking oats, some chili powder, and some Worcestershire sauce, and some salt, and I'll mix it all together. Now to my mix I'm going to add some diced red bell pepper and some diced onion. Mix that all in there, and then about 1 pound of ground turkey. Now we're going to make some meatloaf. I'm spraying with cooking spray because we're cutting the fat, and then I'll put the meatloaf in the pan, press it in there, and then I'll bake it for 50 minutes in my 375 oven, remove it, and then coat it with some more barbecue sauce. Put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes and create a beautiful glaze. Now, you will never know that you are eating low-fat, low-calorie meatloaf. After all, we used egg whites instead of eggs, and we used all other sorts of low-fat ingredients. But you'll never know the recipe unless you write to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click over to the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. Enjoy this turkey meatloaf, and I'll see you next time.